उन्होंने ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ ही एक वॉर डिक्लेयर कर दी। ये हुआ साल 1917 में और इसे कहा जाता है द ग्रेट कुकी रेबेलियन या फिर एंग्लो कुकी वॉर।
इस लड़ाई को एंग्लो कुकी वॉर भी कहा जाता है।
Lies of cookies has become the new truth. That is the most upset part.
Some people are trying to convince the general masses that an imaginary event, which they call the Anglo-Kuki War, did really happen. Hello guys, in this video I will clarify the false narrative about Anglo-Kuki War that some people are trying to set on the minds of other people. First, let me mention about a RTI query filed by a climate activist Lisipriya Kanguzam on June 17, 2023. In her RTI application, she asks 3 questions. First, list of Kuki freedom fighters from Manipur who fight against the British as per the record of Indian government. In response to that question, the Ministry of Home Affairs says that there are 62 freedom fighters from Manipur who fought against the British as per the record of Indian government. Among them, only 4 of them were Kuki freedom fighters. In her second question, she asks for the full details about the Anglo-Kuki war that was fought between the Kuki and the British in Manipur. To which the Ministry of Home Affairs said that there was no information available regarding the questions. On her third question, she requested the details on how and where the Anglo-Kuki war was exactly happened, including the names of the exact area or village of India. Again, in response, the Ministry of Home Affairs said that there was no information available about this question. Okay, next, let us know about the current situation or current condition. The Kuki community claimed that between 1917 to 1919, there was a war between the British and the Kuki, which they call the Anglo-Kuki War. They even built a centenary gate in regard to this. During the time of 1917 to 1919, there was a conflict between the British and the Kuki community, but there was no war fought by the Kuki against the British on behalf of Manipur state or India. The Nagas of Manipur, which is an indigenous tribes of Manipur, also never accept the term Anglo-Kuki War from the very beginning. Even now, they are demanding the truth about the Anglo-Kuki War should be shown to everyone. To all the brothers and sisters all across the India, please don't believe everything what you heard, because in this time, many people are trying to distort the actual history of India and trying to rewrite a new history.